Welcome back. This is Safine Troy. Today, we're diving deep into the Rigveda, one of the oldest sacred texts, to explore a story that might sound strangely familiar: the Great Flood. Global flood myths are not unique to any one culture. From Noah's Ark to the Epic of Gilgamesh, flood stories are as old as civilization. But before Noah, there was Manu in the Rigveda, a king saved from a great flood. He's considered the ancestor of all humanity in Hindu tradition. Manu was warned of the impending flood by the god Matsya. He built a boat and gathered seeds and animals to repopulate the earth. When the flood came, Matsya guided the boat to safety. The parallels between Manu and Noah are striking. A divine entity warned both. Both built a boat, and both saved animals to repopulate the earth. The story of a great flood is universal, told across cultures and ages. It begs the question: could there be a kernel of truth to these myths? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Rigveda. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for deeper insights into ancient texts and myths.